Hi, second grade. Welcome to Reading and Writing. Today is Thursday, January 14th, 2021. Please choose any book to read if you haven't already before watching this video. You can read on Raz Kids, you can choose a book on Epic, or if you're at home, you can choose an actual book that you have. So choose any book to read and enjoy reading it. Then after you read it, you're going to get some lined paper and a pencil, and you're going to write a paragraph to persuade your teachers to read the book that you chose to the whole class. Now, what does this word mean? You want to persuade your teachers to read the book to the whole class. That means you want to convince Mrs. McRoberts and myself to read this book to everyone. Now, if you're going to convince someone or persuade someone, you need to give reasons as to why they should do that thing or believe that thing. Now, again, to persuade means to convince someone to do something. In this case, read the book to the whole class. Or it might mean to make someone believe in something. So maybe you're trying to make me believe that this is an amazing book, or change someone's mind. So for this writing, please start by putting the date at the top of your paper. And then notice I have this X. Remember, that's showing where I have to indent at the start of my paragraph. Then you put your topic sentence, which tells what you're going to be writing about. You can use this sentence starter if you would like. You should read the book blank to the whole class. Now, in this blank, you put the title of your book. And remember, the title, it's the name of the book, so their proper nouns should have a capital letter. So if it has multiple words in it, then you would capitalize each of those words. And also, when we write about books, we underlined the title. So make sure that the title is underlined. Now, is this one sentence enough to convince Mrs. McRoberts and myself that we should read the book to the class? No, this wouldn't convince me. So instead, you need to give more reasons. This is a great start. It's telling me what book to read, but now you need to tell me why. You can use a sentence. You should read this book out loud because blank. In that blank, you can give your own opinion. You can say something that you enjoyed from the book that you think your classmates would enjoy as well. So you're using the text, using the story to help you write this. Now, again, this isn't enough. So you would have to write more sentences, more details of why this book should be read to your classmates. And then when you think you've written enough to persuade, to convince us, then you have to close your paragraph with a conclusion sentence. So it's wrapping your paragraph up. It's telling the reader, in this case your teachers, that that's the end of your persuasive paragraph. So if you'd like, you can use this sentence starter. I think blank, the title of your book, is a blank book. Think of an adjective to describe that book. So really take your time writing this, coming up with good reasons as to why the teachers should choose this book to read to the class. You should have at least, I'd say 3 to 4 reasons at least. Because if it's only 1 or 2, that's not going to convince us. So take your time thinking about why this should be read to the whole class. Write full sentences, give details. Don't forget that capitalization and punctuation. And then you can even add a picture on the page as well. Maybe it's a picture of your favorite part. Maybe it's a picture of something that you wrote about in your paragraph. Make it a nice, neat picture, add some color, and we might even choose one of these to read to the class. Whoever can convince us the most, whoever can persuade us the most that we should read their book, it might actually be chosen to be shared next week. So try your best, have fun. We can't wait to read your paragraphs. Thank you.